Good day, everyone, and welcome to FXDD live trading webinar. My name is Nenad, always with you trading on the FXDD live account. And before we start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Any questions, any comments, feel free to ask. I'm monitoring your questions, so I will definitely let you know if any of questions have been asked. Okay? Please use these web addresses to sign up for more live educational and live trading videos. Okay? So we will actually start right away. Let me open my platform. We already have some setups that are possible, although guys, have in mind that markets are very, very calm and that we might not have very, very good setups because markets are very slow. But I expect that the volatility will resume as soon as Fed Chief Powell finish with his speech. At least it should resume at some point that volatility is at least on average. At this point, volatility is subdued. It's very low. Although I think that I'm just checking the calendar. I think that Chairman Powell is already speaking. So I guess we still don't have any big volatility. I'm trying to see if there are some news regarding the speech. Yeah, but it says Powell does not comment on monetary policy or the economy in opening remarks. It's the Boston Fed conference, and again, guys, I don't see any particular reason that markets are this low, except for at least waiting for Fed decision or at least BOC. Yeah, we have a BOC decision tomorrow. I'm monitoring the calendar here. Yes, it's CAD, and tomorrow Fed Chairman Powell will testify. So I guess that we will have another slow day until tomorrow. Unfortunately, sometimes the things are as they are. We cannot change anything, but well, markets are ranging, and I don't like to trade when markets are ranging. I prefer to see some volatility. Regarding setups, this is the only setup that I see at this point, except for potential euro dollar. I'm long in Australian dollar yen. I don't see anything else. So Australian dollar yen below 75.39 is short, at least towards 75.30, and this level, below this level, we will see 75.05. This is the last chance that price might go long. And also euro dollar, I have a position here on euro dollar because it seems to me that euro dollar is supported, and based on 4-hour time frame, it's still supported above 1180, and if it stays above 1180, the chance is that euro dollar will go more to the upside. As you can see here, I'm long. My entry is 1220, but my stop loss is 1175. So guys, I'm definitely long here, so I guess it is fine. And I guess okay. Just a second, I will receive your question. This is okay. Second, give me a few seconds. I'm monitoring the screen. Also, your questions, if anything, is needed. Okay, I don't see any questions, so we are ready to go. So yeah, we could see some scaling in here, although I'm at my full risk on this account, so I would not rather scale in. I would still wait to see what the markets will do, but I think that if 1180 stays strong, we should definitely see upside movement. Okay, let's scan other pairs, guys, and see if there are any other trading opportunities. But unfortunately, we cannot trade anything until volatility is back. I hope that it will be back. Okay, let's see, for example, New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar. Okay. Okay, let's see. I don't think, okay. Yeah, here. Yeah, here, as you can see, okay, it's nothing special except a rejection from the zone that still is happening at the trend line X cross. Yes, this is also chance that markets might go up, but based on 4-hour time frame, yeah, this is it. This is support, and obviously this is daily support. So as long as the New Zealand dollar stays above 66.0, it should go up. We might open a small position here, but very small position just to keep it in line. Okay, and see if the markets will actually give us possibility to spike. This should be the target, 66.84. 66.84. Yeah, I think this could be the target. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. We have the pattern here, although it would be better that it closed above this the body of the previous candle. Okay. Okay, yeah. It should go up. Let's see the gold also. Let's see the gold. Gold. Okay. Gold. Yeah, it seems it could go up also, but it should definitely try to retest weekly H3. Okay, yeah. Definitely we have the chance for the markets to go up, but it needs to break this high here. If it closes above 1400, we might see a rejection to the upside. It looks like it could be a rejection to the upside, but it needs to close above 1400. So we need to, we cannot make pending order because it needs a clear candle close above 1400, not a spike and then close below. So that is why we cannot make any pending orders here. But I guess the market is ready to maybe proceed up. This is a trade that I have from yesterday based on 1 hour time frame. And here I have a potential W here. The market is pushing up. These are my entries, and I expect target 64.50 to be hit if 63.26 remains strong. Let's get back to euro dollar because euro dollar is interesting for me. Euro dollar is one of the trades that I think I'm in minority definitely here because I'm seeing longs. I know that very big percentage of traders are short, and I think this could go up. Yeah, yeah, definitely, guys. Any questions? If there are questions, I will reply. If you have any other pair for me to analyze, I'll do it. GBP CAD is based on this super dot that I trade. It should go more to the upside, definitely. Other than that, GBP dollar is also having a big retracement to the down, a big. Actually, this is a trend, so we need a big retracement in order to proceed further down. I personally cannot short here. I would rather wait for the price to retrace at least 60, 70 pips towards 25, 20, and only then I will be looking for short trades. Unfortunately for me, this is way too much oversold for me to sell it now. I need a retracement to the upside, and then I will sell it. If we see a retracement, it will coincide probably due to positive correlation with the euro dollar. Euro dollar is trying to push the price to stay above 1180. And as I say, I know that I'm in minority, guys, but I see longs on euro dollar indeed. Watch this. We have Fibonacci here, 88.6. This is a strong number, guys. And if it doesn't reject, then I guess euro dollar is doomed. So it will drop. But yeah, I'm trying to see this happening. I hope that it will go more to the upside. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Euro dollar is here, GBP CAD, Australian dollar, Euro yen, GBP yen, same thing. It's at support and it needs a momentum push to the upside for new shorts. I have a potential CAD Swissy, but I would probably stay away from that pair. CAD Swissy, I need to check the ATR. The ATR is, let me remove this. Yeah, I guess this is counter trend trade opportunity on 4 hour. But definitely I don't want to trade this. It's very low range. 33 pips versus 41 on last 5 days. I'm already having some trades, so I would rather stick to them than to risk something here because I don't see anything really valid here. This could be a short trade, but no momentum here. So I would rather stick to euro dollar and GBP CAD at this spot. Yeah, so let's summarize it all up. No momentum, no big trades, but euro dollar, my position is clear. Euro dollar long, anywhere from 1220 to 1200. Stop loss is 1175. Target for this move is 1315 here around weekly H4. If the price spikes up, because we are looking at 4 hour time frame, if we see even bigger spike to the upside, I don't rule out 1380. But this could be a not midterm, but we should probably wait for this. At least the price should go towards this resistance here and potentially make a retest. So I'm waiting for at least 1315 to see where the price will go. Okay, so 1220 to 1200 is the entry zone. Stop loss 1175. Target 1315, potentially 1380. GBP CAD also. Let me also show you the GBP CAD. The GBP CAD is also counter trend trade possibility. I had a little bit higher entry, 63.75. Stop loss 63.20. Final target 65.40. If the price makes a spike and you have a possibility to scale out, I would advise scaling out around 64.10.6 here at the ATR projection high. Put the rest to break even and put final target 64.50. It remains to be seen, but this could be also a good trade if we see a momentum. But now I see a potential momentum push to the upside. But everything now is waiting game as the markets are slow. So we might have volatility push probably tomorrow after testimony of Fed chief. Let me just check the calendar for tomorrow. Yeah, Bank of Canada monetary policy report. It will be volatile. Overnight trade, very volatile. GBP, we have GDP news. It's also volatile. And of course, Fed Chairman Powell will testify, due to testify on the semi-annual monetary policy report before a House Financial Services Committee in Washington, D.C. So this tomorrow will be volatile. So be patient, guys. Okay, be patient. 2 trades at this point. Let's see. This is also trade that is still running, but it's close to stop loss. Australian dollar yen. So let's see. Euro dollar and GBP CAD have more chance to go up as a counter trend trade possibilities. I wish you a great trading day. No momentum, no volatility on 1 hour, but at least 4-hour time frames could give us some swing trade targets, especially on the euro dollar. I would be very happy if I see the euro dollar pushing to the upside. Let's wait and see. I wish you a great trading day. This webinar is being recorded. It will be uploaded to FXDD YouTube channel, so check it. Any comments, feel free to leave. I will reply. Thanks again, and have a great trading week. See you soon.